welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. My name is Nick, welcome to my channel, and on this channel we love to talk all things couponing and saving money. And today I have such an awesome video that is being sponsored by Temu, because Temu is such an amazing app and website. It is an online marketplace with literally thousands upon thousands upon thousands of products. They have so many different products, pretty much anything you can think of, and things you didn't even think existed. Temu has at amazing low prices. Like, the prices are so low, and they're great quality products. So I'm really excited. Temu also has coupons, free shipping, and free returns for up to 90 days. Like, guys, it doesn't get much better than that. I'm always leery of online shopping personally because I hate that you got to pay for shipping most times. The returns can be kind of a hassle, but Temu has made it so easy and the prices are so great that I love Temu so much. So when they reached out and said they wanted to do another video, I was like, totally, because I want to share with you guys more awesome things you can get on Temu. And most of my hauls so far have been household products, but this one's actually a hodgepodge of different things that a 22-year-old guy would be interested in. So we got some clothing, we got some like electronic things, we got some really cool like office supply things. Guys, I'm really excited to go over this. Temu is currently having a site-wide sale with savings up to 90% off, which is crazy. You can find these sales on their website or the Temu app. I'll have in the description box a link to the app as well as my code you can enter in. So go ahead and grab that, and you can get up to $100 of free coupons. Like, guys, you can get freebies with Temu. Guys, no other website, no other store I know of is this awesome online. I'm loving Temu so much. So I'm really stoked. I will also have in the description box links to all these products. So it's going to be awesome. I cannot wait. We got a big old box here of stuff. So let's just dive right in with our items. So first thing I got here is I actually got this car cleaning kit thing. This is really nice. It is like, it has a handle. Let me get it out and kind of like demonstrate it to you. So what it is it has like this. It's like a brush. So you like brush your windows with it, and to clean your windows, my car gets dirty quite a bit, so it's black. This will help me clean it off. So it comes with 2 refills, so it's really nice. I believe these are washable as well, so I will have that in the description box. That is really cool. It was really affordable. Okay, the next thing that I picked up is this. This is a key finder. You don't have to just put this on keys. You can put this on credit cards. You can put this on remotes. You can put this on your phone. I am notorious for losing things. So when I saw this, I was like, yep, I totally have to get it. It just says this key finder can help you find lost keys easily. Simply attach the receiver to your keys and find them by pushing the button on the remote. The beep sound and the LED flashes will help lead you to the keys. So you basically are going to put the remote, you're gonna put the little key finder thing on the back of the keys or whatever. It shows multiple things you can put it on. And then you're gonna press this remote, it'll beep and lead you to the item, which I just think is amazing. That is so cool. So I really like that a lot. Okay, next thing I ended up picking up are these headphones. These look just like AirPods. Now, they're not Apple AirPods, but they sure look a lot like them. I had a pair of AirPods and I loved them, but I accidentally washed and dried my AirPods. So one of them broke. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and give these a try. They had awesome reviews, and they were like really inexpensive. So I was like, okay, we're gonna go ahead and make these up and then we'll give them a try. Update on these. I am pleasantly surprised. They work really well. In the beginning, it kind of had an issue like getting connected, like the right ear was working and the left wasn't. So I just took them out and put them back in, and it's working great now. Very loud. I like my headphones to be like really loud, and these definitely are. So I really am impressed with these headphones. So yeah, these are definitely a great purchase, and you can't beat that price. Okay, so I picked up more of the brush heads for our spin mop, the O-Cedar spin mop. These are so inexpensive as compared to what the refills cost at the store. And these are really nice. So yes, we've actually used them before, love them. So I totally went ahead and picked up more of them. Okay, so the next thing I went ahead and picked up is this guy. This is a little wallet to put your credit cards in. I'm not gonna like carry this around as a wallet. I mean, you probably could, but I'm gonna actually use this to store like cards. A lot of times you open up a store rewards card to get some extra money, or you open up, you know, cards like that, and I just have a big stack of them, and that's not a very good idea. So this is like a little wallet. It's like a fabric-y material. I really like the feel of that, like a felt, but it's a sturdy plastic. Kind of like it feels felt on the inside. And then it comes with all these different card slots. I believe 24 different card slots. So I'm really excited to use this and to help organize all of my cards. So that's gonna be really nice to have. And another thing, guys, you could totally use this to store coupons too. I mean, you could fit not a ton in here, but you definitely, if you like, if you would have like some of your favorite brands coupons or something, you could fold them up and put them in here as well. That would be really nice. Guys, I was so stoked to pick this up. This is a mini printer. You print little pictures and things out with it. I am so excited to try this. And look at all the refills it comes with. So got it out of the box and been playing around with it and trying to figure out the ways you can use it. And it really is cool. You can do all sorts of labels, all sorts of little graphics and pictures and things. There's an app that you need to get to be able to use this. It is called the Walk Print app. Really simple. It was really easy to pair it up with the Bluetooth. It literally took like 10 seconds. It was really simple. So the paper has to be inserted just right or it will not work. And it actually has to be over the machine like this or it will not print from what I tried. Like I tried several times and nothing would work until I did that. So, okay, so I went in and decided to print my Temu haul picture. So the thumbnail picture, I went in and decided to print that out. The thing about this is it is only in black and white, so be aware of that. You know what these remind me of? It seriously reminds me of the Chuck E. Cheese. Like when you went to Chuck E. Cheese as a kid, and you did the little photo booth. It's like photo booth paper, which is so cool. This is really cool. You know, you ain't gonna be able to print like super high quality pictures on this thing, but it is really cool. Like if you had a kid's birthday party and you wanted to take pictures and send the kids home with a picture, like a photo booth or something, this would be amazing for that. So guys, this is great. You just like rip it off of the printer. But guys, I love this. This is really neat. And you can do all sorts of things like labels. I did a label that says my journal. So you can do labels, you can do pictures, graphics, all sorts of things. This little printer is awesome. All right, guys, you know, if you have been around for a while, the struggle is real with me and cell phone holders, mounts when I'm filming. A lot of times I don't end up like, I end up just like propping it up against something in my car, like a water bottle or something, and then it falls down. So this is definitely going to come in handy. It is a car mount, which I really like this one in particular, because the ones I've had in the past, you have to like clamp around like the mirror. And that's kind of annoying. So this you can just clamp onto like the front. I think that's really cool. Since it doesn't shake. I've had a horrible time with previous car mounts shaking and things like that. And these do not shake. Compatible with all smartphones. Guys, I'm really excited. Definitely is going to help with Vloon coming up on my channel. I'm filming this before Vloon, but it's already started where I'm doing daily vlogs every weekday in June. This is really going to help. So I'm really stoked to have this nice car mount from Temu. Okay, so summer is upon us. It feels like summer here. It is so warm. So I picked up a pair of sunglasses because I don't really have any. The ones I have are pretty old. So let's sport these off here. Man, these are nice. Even just in here, it's blocking like a lot of the like bright lights. I really like these glasses. Those are awesome. So yes, love these sunglasses for sure. And definitely will come in handy this summer. Let me just say it came very well packaged too in a protective box with film around it. That's really nice to make sure nothing gets damaged, for sure. Okay, so this next thing I got is really nice. This is actually a Airpods cleaner. So you use this to get, kind of gross, but like earwax out of your headphones. Really going to come in handy. You just use it to kind of like pick out the debris from your headphones, or you can even do it this way if you want to have a lot, you know. Pick it out. So I think that's really nice, and I cannot wait to use this. And this was like under $1, so that was a really good deal. So yes, I'm excited to give this thing a try. Okay, so I ended up picking up some stationery products. You guys know, I love planners and stationery items and things like that. So I wanted to pick up a few things, and man, Temu has such a selection of these kind of products. I had to settle on a couple. But the first one I got is this weekly non-dated planner. This is a planner that I really love the layout, actually. I love this. It's hard. I've not seen planners quite this like laid out, but this is really what I need. So it has on one side, it has Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and a weekend block so you can plan out your appointments and your tasks and things like that. And then over here, it has a habit tracker, which I really like that because I have a lot of like daily things I got to do every single day. I need to remember, okay, did you take your pills this morning? Did you do this? Did you do that? So I really like that you can kind of like break down your stuff in a habit tracker, and then it has like a to-do list and weekly goals. Guys, this is nice. A weekly focus. This is such a nice planner. 52 weeks. Just a weekly one. It is not a monthly one, but they had plenty of other planners too that I'm sure had a monthly spread in it. So I went ahead and picked this up. I love this. Okay, so in addition to that weekly planner, I went ahead and picked up this. This is a daily planning pad. I really like this a lot. So you can like really plan out your days. There's some days that there's just like so much stuff going on. I need a daily to-do list. So this is really nice. It has a huge to-do list. I mean, huge to-do list. Top priorities, important times, don't forget, and notes. This will just sit right on my desk. It comes with a ton of different pages, and I like that it has a clear, like a plastic protector thing that'll cover up that first one so nothing gets on it. I love this. This is so nice. So I love that. Love that. Man, Temu there. And I don't see stuff like this in the store, really. So this is so awesome. Temu has such cool things. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys some clothing items I got from Temu. This is like my first time actually getting clothing from Temu. So I got 3 shirts and a pair of pants. So I'm going to kind of like try everything on and show you guys what I look like in them and give you my thoughts, show you what I bought, things like that. But I did get these pants, and I definitely do like these pants as well. These are really nice. They're a nice long length. These are track pants. I like almost exclusively wear track pants all summer, and they're really nice. So these are black, and they have like blue on the sides, and they come with zippered pockets, which is huge. Like there are times, like there are track pants are pretty like big, like baggy, so things like your phone or your wallet could easily fall out, and you don't want that. So the zippered pockets are really nice, and they'll keep your things like your phone or your wallet protected, and they won't fall out, which is really nice. And then I got this gray shirt. It comes with a pocket on the side, and then it has buttons. And it's really nice, just a plain gray. I really like it. Classic, but looks really nice. The shirt was quite snug, I will say. So that particular one, I would have ordered another size up, probably. It's always hard to tell online. That's not just Temu, every website. It's kind of hard to know like how things fit online. But remember, with Temu's great return policy, let's say you get something that's a little small, just return it and for free, and you can just order the right one. So it's super easy. But yeah, for that particular shirt, I would have went a size up. So next shirt here, this one actually is a little bit more true to my size, so this is good for sure. This is a nice blue button down with kind of like a polka dot white pocket here, which is really, really nice. Goes very well. I thought this was going to go well with khakis, jeans, and it actually doesn't look bad with these track pants either. This is pretty nice for sure, and I love the feel of this material. It's really, really nice, soft material. So yeah, I am a fan of this shirt. Fits pretty well, so I think this is pretty true to size, XL tall. So definitely more pleased with this shirt. I like the last shirt too, like I said, but it just didn't fit very well. But this one fits pretty well, so I'm a fan of this for sure. And I even could, if I wanted, like, layer it instead of buttoning it up. A lot of times I'll do this, like I'll just wear the shirt unbuttoned with like a gray shirt underneath. I'm definitely a fan. I love this shirt from Temu. Alright, so last but not least, I got this shirt. It is really nice. This is like a do all things through Christ who strengthens me, and it has a cross. I really love the material of this shirt. It's nice and lightweight, which is going to be perfect through the summer months, and it fits very well. So I don't know, that first shirt kind of was a fluke, I guess. Maybe that was from a different, like, I don't know, it was a different brand or something like that, but the other 2 shirts have been great and very true to size. So I really, really, really like this. Love this shirt. It is so nice and comfortable, and I cannot wait to wear it for many years to come. So super, super nice and a great price. These shirts and pants too were all such great prices. So love these. All right, so the last item I got from Temu is actually this foldable washing machine. This is really, really, really interesting. I saw like an ad on Facebook for it. So I was like, yes, we're gonna pick this up. My grandma actually lives in a really small apartment and she doesn't have like a laundry hookup. So I thought this would really, really come in handy for her. We're gonna try it out ourselves first and then we'll like teach her how to use it. So yeah, I wanna show it to you guys on this video. I'm really, really, really excited. How cool is this? It says saving water is a virtue. So interested to see how this works. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So here it is all unboxed. You get this whole mechanism, you get this little basket, and then it comes with the lid. So it's really nice. It has magnetic bottoms to it, so it'll just easily grip onto a flat surface. The item is collapsible, so basically you can store it just like this, but to actually wash, you just can pull it up like so, and then there you go. It turns into the washing machine, which is so cool. So you just plug it in the back, and you have the settings on the front, whether you want to do a standard wash, a soft wash, drain it, you just undo this drain hole. Make sure the hole is plugged before you start putting water in or you'll have a water catastrophe. You don't want that. So, okay, so we filled it up to like this gray fill area here, so up to the gray line. We're just gonna put, I don't know how many towels we're gonna be able to fit in it, and then we're just gonna put some detergent on the top. Okay, and be aware we did actually have to take out some of the towels because it was too full. So if you have too much in it, it just won't even run. So you gotta be aware of that. But it's doing its thing. We selected the 5-minute option. Yeah, the cat is so into this. So if you got cats, they'd like to see the process too. Okay, so it is done and it beeped, letting us know it was done. Plus, honestly, even if it didn't beep, you would know because it literally makes that like swirly noise the entire time it's doing it. So, but now we are going to drain it. So we're gonna put it over into a space to drain it and all the water will come out of this little hole there. So that's great. So after the load is done, you can just put it in this little basket that comes with it and it just goes through, kind of like rinse, drain off some of the excess water, and then you'll obviously have to hang them to dry. It doesn't dry it too. That would be really awesome if it did, but it's just a washer. Still, what a cool invention. All right, guys, that is all for this Temu haul. Temu, I am so excited about Temu. I'm really excited that they reached out to me and wanted to do another unboxing. This is the one I'm the most excited about, like seriously. I loved absolutely everything I got. I am so thrilled with everything I got. It's like Christmas morning right now because these things are so cool and they're gonna make my life so much easier. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me unbox things and tell you how they work, show you several of the things and how they work. I love it, seriously. Such a great haul. Remember to get the Temu app and to use my code. I'll have that flashing up on the screen, and of course, all that'll be in the description box, along with the links to each of these products. I really hope you enjoyed. If you're gonna buy any of these things, let me know in the comments. Say, I'm gonna pick this item up. I would love to hear, and I hope that this helped any of you guys out who are having questions about Temu. So that's all I got. Hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.